Hi guys, my brushless Arduino controlled Feiyue FY-03 Eagle is pretty nice, but its slipper clutch and the rear differential were defective. It was not usable for a while now. So I took this Arduino DIY receiver for a different project. It was reused for this JJ-RC-Q46 Arduino conversion. The steering servo was removed as well and used in this HBX12891 brushless conversion. So now it's time to bring this thing back on track. As you can see, the original slipper clutch spring is way over tightened. Otherwise it would start to slip way too early. This is the slipper clutch in original condition. And here it is disassembled. You can see the nut, the spring and the washers. The biggest problem of this design is the missing thrust bearing. This WLtoys ball bearing will be used as a thrust bearing. 7 disc springs from AliExpress are replacing the original spring. They are layered like shown on the drawing. The nut is also secured with a bit of Loctite. The gearbox is now mounted back in place. Time to program the new Arduino Micro RC receiver. The 3D printed housing, which can be downloaded from my Thingiverse, is secured with a bit of hot glue. And finally, the label is attached. All the details about this receiver can be found on my GitHub. Next step, replacing the destroyed rear differential. It doesn't look good. The grease contains lots of metal shavings. The teeth on the bevel gear of the old differential are completely worn down. This is a view inside the new differential. No grease. I always use thick silicone grease for the differentials. This grease makes the differential stiffer but still smooth. Next step, cleaning the axle housing. Disgusting. The prop shaft is also removed. This allows to remove the destroyed small bevel gear. This is the new one. The bearings and bushings are cleaned and go back in place. Time to grease the bevel gears. That's it, rear axle fixed. The worn original tires are replaced with WLtoys 12-4-8 wheels. They are pretty much identical, but the tires are much harder and more durable. The upgraded metal shocks are disassembled and cleaned. The O-rings are greased with silicone grease. The oil is replaced with red soft Tamiya oil. Time to test the shocks. The dampening is perfect. Time for a test with my DIY Arduino transmitter. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss upcoming episodes. Bye!